steal these for me because they won't be looking for you.
He's sleeping?
So basically, he took the AirPods, he put them in a tote.
You have an open warrant.
An Amazon loss prevention manager has contacted police after the leader of an organized employee theft ring was caught on surveillance stealing 2 sets of Apple AirPods. After months of tens of thousands of dollars worth of loss in Gucci sunglasses, Garmin watches, and iPads, the suspect, Christian Munampang, left after being confronted with the solid evidence. An employee even provided their Snapchat conversation to detectives. A Dallas County judge placed an order for the prime suspect's arrest. The Irving Police Department offered a free pickup service and same-day delivery to the county jail. Please consider giving this content a thumbs up and subscribe for more cop cam videos. Thanks for watching.
So actually, this will be the 3rd case we filed in a week.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're taking off here lately. But so basically, we've hit 2 females that we've caught stealing, and they, one had openly admitted, yeah, no, he paid me $1,000 to do this stuff. Like, cool. The other one's like, no one did it, but she kept freaking out and like looking freaked out and stuff. And then she admitted that, yeah, somebody did, but she wouldn't give us a name. But
okay.
Basically, he targets 19-year-old girls. He'll offer to buy them drinks, take them to pool parties, stuff like that, and then he'll Snapchat them and say, hey, will you steal these for me because they won't be looking for you. And one of the girls that he asked to do that saved the screenshot of the Snapchat and brought it to us. It's a still shot of him last night. So basically, he took the AirPods, he put them in a tote. The one that has the actual things right here, this is his pick history. So this is everything he scanned. So basically, you can see it's like 9 something, then nothing until 10 something. So that time that he's actually got the items in his pot thing, he never scanned anything. He wasn't doing any actual orders. He used the totes as cover because everybody's running around with totes. And when he came in, clocked in, he went straight over there. I saw him. I was like, oh, I know what this guy's up to. So I waited until he went up to the 4th floor. I verified that the tote was empty. And I have a shot of him coming up the stairs. He doesn't have anything in his hands. They later found an empty box on the 4th floor in the area he was picking at. So we need this. Okay, let us know what you need. We'll get it for you.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes our job easier, for sure.
Yeah. He's sleeping? You fell asleep, sir? A little bit? Tired? Alright, I'm sorry. Can you step out of the vehicle for me for a second? I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Alright, sir. A few questions. Anything you had to do with DFW Airport Police?
Anything else to do?
Yeah. Familiar with the DFW Airport Police by any chance?
No.
You have an open active warrant with them. So we're going to place you under arrest right now for the warrant. And DFW wants you for that. So I'm sure it's not going to take long for you to figure this out and, see the judge and take care of that warrant. Did you know that there was a warrant?
Yeah, for the warrant. The warrant was I was supposed to pay the money at the court, and then I sent to pay for it.
So you're being arrested for a warrant?
Yes, there is an open active warrant issued by DFW Airport Police for you. We just spoke to them.
I did something.
Apparently, we gotta, once we get to the jail, okay, I'm gonna print out the actual warrant. Have you ever been arrested before? No, first time? No? It's right here against the wall, face on the wall. And we're gonna come out. Just face the wall. Yeah, just like that.
One.